Good morning, beautiful people. So in today's video I am doing a collaboration with DAODER Lashes. DAODER Lashes. It's right here. My apologies, I am not the best with pronunciation. Anywho, here is the package that they sent me. I have not opened it yet. Okay, so the product is on Amazon. Look at it, so cute. It's pink, so girly, so girly. Comes with a spoolie, and it comes with tweezers to do the application. It comes with the seal and bond, double-ended. This right here, I'm assuming maybe the remover. I'm not sure, so let's open up and let's see if I can open it. I'm not good with opening packages. I got it. I have it. Awkward. I was right. This is remover. So my first impression with this is it's different compared to what I'm used to seeing with cluster lashes. I'm used to seeing like the clear cases so you can look inside of it. But it's cool. It's different. I'm not mad at the packaging or anything like that. It's just different. Plastic case. This is definitely gonna protect the lashes for sure. Let's open up and see what's inside. Ooh. Now as a lash tech, cause yes, I am actually a certified lash tech, just in case you didn't know, this is what that's giving me. And then to open it and it looks like this on the inside, this is giving me very much, you're doing your big one with this, like, you know, the lengths on this side and then the types of curls on this side. And the same for this. The length is on this side, the type of curls on this side. So I have D's. There's some D's on there. Whoa, I just aged myself. That's okay. Aging is a beautiful thing. But yeah, so these are a bit curlier. Usually people with more coarse hair, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. You know. We can do D's because we've got that curly hair. So, oh, it's 640 pieces. Okay, that's a lot. How many sets can I get out of that? I can't even calculate, but I'm excited. So I cleansed my face and everything, so my lashes are clean. I recommend before doing any lashes of any sort, clean your lashes, because if you I did wash my face and I did moisturize. However, I did not put any moisturizer over my eyes because it would go over my lashes. That would make it not last. Make sure you have clean lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm trying to think, what type of style do I want? Longest length goes up to 13. So the lengths that they have is from 9 to 13 in this palette, which is a very natural set lengthwise. 13 is the highest you want to go if you're trying to keep your lashes more of a natural look, but still adding that length, but not like to where you just sweeping, you know, every time you blink. It ain't got that effect. So, cause some people be liking them longer and stuff, but like I'm more conservative. So I'm gonna go ahead and take, okay, this feels different than what I'm used to. So, okay, I always start on my most difficult eye first, but for some reason it is early, so I'm having a hard time remembering which side it is. That's more difficult for me to do. I'm gonna start with my right eye first, just because I'm right-handed. I don't know what it's looking like, if it's mirroring. Obviously you can see I have a wedding ring on, so this is my left hand, so I'm starting on my right side. My most difficult part is my inner, so I'm going to go with my inner. So I am going to go ahead. The first step you want to do, oh wait, this don't have instructions at all. I know how to do this anyway. Okay, so they do have instructions on Amazon when you click the link that will be below. What? The link that will be in the description below, because the instructions are there just in case you're a girly who hasn't done cluster lashes before. But while I was looking for that, I saw that these are vegan, and y'all, I'm vegan, so like I was just like, yes. Step 1 is to brush a thin layer of bond on the root of the natural lashes. Step 2, place lash clusters under natural lashes. And step 3 is to brush lash seal to lock lashes in place for longer time. Those are the instructions. It's just 3 steps. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and do it so I can show you guys. So I'm just going to take this bonder. We're starting with the bonder. You can't see that, but this is the bonder. And I'm only going to do one eye at a time. I'm not going to over dip. You know how they be like pumping stuff? I'm not going to do that because I don't want bacteria in my stuff. But I did dip it back in just to make sure I picked up enough. So now I just lift up my lashes. Now I'm gonna have to kind of lean in, so I'm gonna take y'all on that journey. Okay, so I got that on there and I could feel it. Again, I only did one eye. As I do this, I used to do both eyes back and forth. I'm taking the 9s, and what I did was I grabbed it by the base, like literally the base. I grabbed it by the base to pull it up, so you see the fan is out there, right? But I need the base to attach it, so that I'm gonna close this, let it go, and I'm going to grab it at the end of the fan. So now I'm going in and I angle it according to my eye shape. So I'm gonna go in at an angle on my inner corner so I can lay it in its natural state. And so I put that on there, but then I press it in 2. Okay, so that was a 9. Now I'm going in with a 10. And if you get any of the bond on this, just wipe it. I was over there working hard. And so then I put it like right next to each other. Okay, you can kind of see something happening here. I have a 9 and a 10. Now I'm going in with the 11. So now I'm going to do the 12. And then I'm gonna like bring this up a little, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a 13 right there. So I'm still just following the size. But I want that part to kind of like be a little bit more. So that's a 13. So now I'm about to go down to a 12 just to bring this corner back down. I don't want it to get like to be high all the way on the corner, so I'm bringing it down. And I don't know, I might be able to do another one, so I'm going to, I don't know, I'm gonna go down to a 10. And I'm doing the 5D. So this is a little bit of a thicker look. So now I'm just taking my finger and pushing the bases, and then I go over the top and lightly like bring them down. See that? This inner corner, what the heck? Hold on. Okay, so you see the difference in my eyes. Again, this is more of a natural set. I started with the 9s in the inner corner, and then I brought it back down to a 10 on the outer corner. So now that that one is done, I'm going to go ahead and do this eye, and then I'm going to sew both together. right, so the same thing, I'm going in with the 9s. The 10s. The 11s. The 12s. I'm gonna go in with another 12. I think this eye is usually like longer than the other one, but like the 13, I want it to come up a little on the outer. So I add another 12 right here. And then I'm gonna go on with that 13. And then now back in with a 12. And then a 10. And then I just push those bases in. And it's important to know your eyes because like I have to put one extra on one eye versus the other. It's always like that. I was doing people's lashes and they'll be like, why does this eye look fuller? Sometimes like one of our eyes is just bigger than the other one. So I am going to go ahead and while this eye sets a little bit, this one set because this one was getting done. So I'm just going to take these tools, I don't know if I call them tweezers maybe, and press it together. Maybe not because I don't like the way it's sticking. Oh, okay, I'm gonna just stick it out. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I pressed them all together. Now I'm gonna go in with the seal. Ooh, I love the fact that this has this little part on it because I don't like to brush it through. I always dab. So that's gonna make it easier. Just take a little bit of that and go on the base. And then I'm going to dry. I have a pan. I'm gonna dry this eye over here. Maybe not. Did I take the batteries out? I took the batteries out. Never mind. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. I was just trying to get more time for this one to set on its own as well, but hey. And if when doing this a lash comes off, just put it back on and don't tell nobody. And clamping them together, it really helps them stay, like it kind of like really pushes them into each other. I'm gonna go ahead and seal this one as well. Again, just touching the base. And I always go like back and forth just to make sure I get it good. So yeah, this is it. Again, this is DAODER lashes. The link will be in the description box below. These are beautiful. They are comfortable. I just have to fix something over here because I got a little bit of something on my skin and I can feel it. And see me, I just pulled it, like wiggled it a little bit. These are my lashes all done. I think this is like a nice little touch. I really like this though. I like this look. Again, this is just like a natural set. I love it. What y'all think? Like it? You like it? I like it. But alright, make sure y'all like this video and all that other fancy stuff, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to check out these lashes. This was so easy to do. This was only 3 steps. That's probably why I didn't come with instructions, but it's only 3 steps, boom, bam, pow. You can have this done way quicker than what I did. For the sake of this video, I took my time just to try and show to the best of my ability, because I know it wasn't showing what I wanted to show. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, okay? Stay soft and beautiful, all right? See ya. Peace.